Hey there, everybody. Mike here for today, 13th or December 13th. I'm sure you've read or seen so many previews for the Fed meeting tomorrow, whether it's from Zero Hedge or whomever, whatever, wherever you get your news sources from. So I'll make this extremely quick and extremely short, right? I think the markets will just not care about what happens tomorrow. They'll just rally it up regardless. If you do some quick due diligence, you'll see that even last year with the rate hike, the market still rallied. So those of you who are stock market bulls, that's I'm basically throwing you a bone right there. But those of you who are planning to trade this for the very first time, or you're just not comfortable doing this on your own, we have reduced our pricing for tomorrow's event, which it used to be 500, now it's 350. You will get again our guide, our chat room access, and of course the real-time trades via either Twitter or whatever. If you can't make it to the chat room, there is a call-in number. You can use whatever phone you want, wherever you are in the world, and you can call in and listen to our ideas and of course our live trades. We will be shouting out or tweeting what we're doing exactly, whether it's on ES, a dollar, or whatever it is tomorrow that's going to be moving. Okay, so it's extremely discounted because it's Christmas and we've been we want to be nice to everybody. At the same time, you will also have a choice of a class that's worth 299. You can just go to the deal section and see which one it is. It could be oil or it could be whatever. So again, in essence, you really are just getting you're just paying $60 worth to get access to this, not 350 if you really look at it, because you're getting a class anyway. And if you want to see what the guide will look like, there is a sample on the website. You can just go to www.equitysense.com. Once you enter the site, go to subscribe and then special events, which will take you to this page, and you can see the sample. So this is the kind of thing that we write to clients before any significant event. We'll actually say, what we think, why we're doing what we're doing, and basically our expectations. And that is why we have the live stream, the chat, and a Twitter stream, because if conditions do change or become a little bit murky, we actually will correct our trades right away. So that's the most important thing. Not only do clients have an expectation, have an idea of what we're doing, they'll also be able to see how we're navigating and managing our trades if something does change, or if what we expect isn't happening at all. So I hope that's pretty clear. I mean, we do our best to be as clear and as transparent as possible to all of our clients. And again, this is a really good deal. I really hope that we get a lot of people, joining this. Of course, if you want to save even more money, you can go with our daily deal, which is the 1500 or 1400 actually right now until tomorrow for the events on 2017. So basically, a $1,400 fee for every event, including the FOMC tomorrow, and all the way to next year until December next year, all the events. So whether something like I don't know, the French elections or the German elections next October. I mean, all these things, any other significant events that we think are going to be market moving, we will cover, and you'll have access to those as well, in addition to of course the class as well, right? So again, folks, some people have been able to take advantage of these things. These deals only happen, like I said, during Christmas, and that's why this is why we only provide them here. I cannot give you any guarantee that in January we'll have the same thing. We usually don't have much between January to March. It's just that it's all about the season, it's all about demand and all that stuff. So hopefully you'll take advantage of them. And I wish you guys the very best. If you're trading on your own tomorrow, I wish you guys the very best, and make sure you and of course, one last piece of advice for those of you, whether you're new or old to trading, this advice is free. Make sure you trade with money you already have said goodbye to, or money you're willing to lose, because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. We really don't. Or at any event, we don't know what's going to happen. You can ask anybody out there, people who were probably holding oil since 52 on Sunday, who are back now down to negative today. Those who don't take profits always get punished by the markets. So good luck. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and I wish you guys the very best. Mike out.